Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna play Escape Prison. So basically this is an obby or we will escape the prison of this guy. So let's go. But there are different modes. Ooh. Okay, so today we are gonna play Alien Base. Let's go! Hi guys, so I'm back pero naglalag siya na so hindi ako maka-escape. So, for the escape na tayo ngayon. Let's go. So, anyways, today, etong game talaga, sana hindi tayo mag-lose. Okay. Let's go! Okay, so andito na tayo sa next round of escaping. Sana hindi tayo mahulog. Yes, so kukunin natin tong wrench yata tawag dito. And we're gonna break this kasi sinabi naman dito. O, tingnan niyo. So, let's go! Okay, so andito na tayo guys. So, basically, ayan na siya. Oh, guys. Pinto na din button. Okay, let's go. Okay, so ulit na tayo guys. Let's go! Okay. Yo! Nakapasok na tayo! I mean like... Escape! Let's go! Woo! So, andito na tayo sa my bathroom. So, basically, merong shovel dito and I guess kukunin natin yung shovel. Let's see. No. Over here. Dig. Okay, so guys, nakapag-dig na tayo and we'll now go. And now we'll go. So, we will go na rin. So, we will try to go na over this bridge. So, basically, hindi ako nag-play sa hard kasi gusto ko muna sa easy and then I'll try hard the next time. So, eto na yung 4th or 5th round, I guess. Eto na yata yung like sa may bowling ball na thingy. Yes, ayan na. Okay, let's speed this up, guys. Okay, so andito na tayo sa may ladder. Okay, so basically, dito palagi nalulus ako. So, I hope na hindi ako ma-lose today. Let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, okay. So, na-made natin yung stairs na pa ganun. And now, we are gonna go to this elevator! Okay, so guys, we are here now. So, dito yung cafeteria and yung security training. But anyways, sinasabi na pupunta daw tayo dito. So, let's see what will happen. Oh. Okay, let's go. No! Okay, so ulit tayo na naman guys because namatay tayo. And I hope hindi na tayo mamatay again. Focus. 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 Ah, no! Okay, so nag-skip na rin ako kasi ang tagal na times na nag-try ako pumunta dito, okay? Don't judge me, okay? So today we're now gonna go to the ladder and one more ladder and we will go. We are here. Find a ladder. Oh, gonna find a ladder. What's this? Region. Oh. Okay, now we have a ladder. And now we're gonna put it over there. Okay guys, so nalagay na rin natin yung ladder. We're just gonna open that and go to the second ladder. Gonna try again. Boogs! Okay guys, so finally, nilagay ko na sa possibly magandang pwesto and now we're gonna go up. So, dito yung sa my fan. Okay, we're gonna try. Okay. Okay guys, so andito na tayo sa part ng ladder. So, we're gonna go again and we're gonna follow these arrows again. So, dito na yung like we're gonna jump. Yes. Pataas. Pataas. Boogs. Boogs. Boogs! Okay, muntik ka na yon guys. Pero, I hope mag-work. Okay, dito na tayo na. Okay guys, so basically, dito na tayo sa sinabi close the valves. Oh, that valve. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. Oh, my bad. So now we're gonna go. Oh, kakagaling natin dito. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay guys, so now na-close na lahat ng mga valves. Oh, now we're gonna go. So we're just gonna follow it. Papunta dito. Okay, that's good. Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna go through this tunnel. So, basically, andito na tayo. Paano na ba to? Over there. Let's go. Oh. We need something. So we can open it. Ito na yung school, I guess. Let's go. What? Okay, guys. So, I think I'm supposed to go here. Anyways, boogs, 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 boogs. It's so fun. Okay, let's go. Finally, na-reach na rin natin yung exit. Let's go! Kala ko exit talaga. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kaya natin to. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Woo! Okay guys, so kinaya natin. So finally, we're gonna go over here. Get your plants here. Okay. One. And two. Let's go! Anyways, gonna use this again. Smooth the arms. Shoot the arms. This is the final boss fight, guys. Let's go. Okay, so umalis tayo and sinabi na pupunta na tayo. Over here. We're gonna go here. Okay. Oh, okay. Gets. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Bayan. Let's leave this place. Oh my gosh. Let's go, guys.